Okay, Ayushi, heartiest congratulations
Thank you so much, sir.
and welcome back from clearing your SSB.
Thank you so much.
I just want to know about your experience. So just tell me, in short, how was your experience at Allahabad?
Um, so it was a life-changing experience. Not that I just learn life experiences over there. I made amazing friends also of life. I met a lot of people, few were hardcore repeaters, not willing to give up, still coming up, giving their best. I met freshers who were like me, still prepared and figuring out, yet we all made up. So yes, it was very therapeutic, if I be more precise.
And I'm happy to note that you went to my old board.
Yes, sir.
11 SSB, I spent a good 3 years there.
Yes, so the first thing I saw was the notice board, and I made sure that I tell all my folks about it that I trained with him.
So the 11 board is lucky for you.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now, Ayushi, tell me, you had 2 weeks of training here at the Cavalier.
Ji, sir.
So how did this training help you actually in your preparation and performance?
So I'll start with a pointer. First pointer is that the entire coaching helped me form a base, and it gave me an understanding of how should I be reacting to all the scenarios that I come across in my 5 days of SSB over there. So one was that my base became strong here. Second, I witnessed a lot of staff that were already in the process and they guided us well through it. Third was that every time I failed here, I made an understanding with myself that I have to work on it. And that eventually helped me in the SSB as well. All the command tasks and half-cooked tasks for that matter cannot be prepared at home. So for that matter, these kind of tasks, they gave me an understanding of how should I be performing in my SSBs over there. So that's how it helped me. Otherwise, another thing that I would really put down is that for the group discussion in the lecturate, no matter how much topics you be aware with, at the end of the day, when you speak, it's very important that you know how to address people. And then at Cavaliers, you get that environment. You have folks who are just as motivated and as enthusiastic as you are to join the Forge. So that way, it was very beneficial. Yeah. So.
How about your psychology and your interview? How did?
Sir, my psychology is entirely credited to SK Dua, sir. I really admire him. In fact, the first day I went for screen and I took his blessings, and he's a very lucky man for me. So the best part, as I always make sure that I tell anyone who I come across with, the best part about the staff over here is that they do not tell you what to write, they tell you how to write. So in that scenario, you cannot practice. There's thousands and thousands of SRTs on the Google. You cannot come across with each one of them. But once you get the aim, the gist of the entire comprehension, you'll be able to tackle any problem that comes your way. So that way it helped me. The other SRTs that I used to solve, and then when I got the guidance from Dua sir that what should be the right intent while solving these answers, I followed it on questions that I never came across ever before my SSB in those 5 days. I talk about the PPDT and the SRT as well. I had a clear understanding of my story has to be different. So I prepared about not less than 200 story writings before my SSB, and the entire thing is credited to Dua sir. So that way it helped me. My story was very much different from almost 20 people who I was along with. I remember precisely that all of them, the invigilators were not letting them speak for 1 minute, and I spoke for good 3 minutes, and I wasn't stopped thereby. So that is the implication, or if I be more precise, that is the enhancement that you create from your story or your narrative, the way you speak. So these are the things I got to know from here only.
Okay, and tell me any special effort you put in to prepare.
I remember precisely, sir, that I had an interview with you, And in that interview, I came across a series of questions that I wasn't able to answer. Most of them were general knowledge based. So the very day when I had an interview with you, I went to GTB Nagar and purchased about 6 months of Pratyogita Darpan. I read it, reread it, and eventually it helped me in the GD and lecture topics as well. So these are the efforts. Wherever in the group planning exercise, for being more precise, I had a class with Chapla sir, and I had difficulty in learning these key details in 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So I worked on it. Other things that I had to work on with was PD writing, because in VAT and SRT, these whatever questions they appear, it go along in 30 seconds. So you just have 30 seconds to read and then also to write. So I practiced with that also. These are the things that helped me eventually in the longer run.
And how about your knowledge about legal affairs? Since you are a JAG
Yes,
candidate.
it's what I understood about the JAG entry is that the officers over there are not just looking for officers, they're looking for legal updated officers. Because eventually we are going to be the professional officers who are going to guide the national head office, the national head officials. So in that case, we have to be abreast with almost every key detail that is happening in law. Eventually, like I first quoted, I had a series of questions with you which I couldn't answer. They were also legal based. So I had to get a good grip on my legal use. I was very much abreast with the legal topics because obviously I've done it in the 5-year law course. So I reread it again and then I had a clear view, and then eventually when I was asked questions based on international law, one of the questions that I was posed was Russia-Ukraine war. So what was my legal point of view on it? So I could answer it, I could put forth Geneva Conventions, UDHR. So these are the things that you must know as a law student, and these are the things they expect also to answer it.
Okay, very good. Another, just for my knowledge, what was your lecture topic?
Oh, sir. So I'll be very fortunate answering this that it was something related to geopolitics, and geopolitics is my forte. So my lecturing topic was on India border disputes. I covered almost all the countries, starting from Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, China. I talked about their India's way forward to it. My GD topic again was in my favor. It was on technology and its role in military services and environment. So I spoke on military. I have a huge interest in technology as well, so I could answer most of the questions.
Okay, excellent.
Yes,
And any special message you want to give to your other students who are here at the Cavalier?
Sir, so be aware. In the 14 days that you learn here, be aware. Aankh, naak, kaan, almost everything you should be knowing what is coming your way. And the moment you're at off guard, work on it. That is the only key.
Okay, I'm sure they'll benefit a lot from hearing you.
Thank you so much, sir.
And I wish you all the best
Thank you so much.
and hope to see you in the uniform soon
I hope that too.
and part of the Defence Forces team.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Avish.
Thank you so much.
God bless.